Ever since I got this phone, I realized you can tell how much money somebody has based on how they react when their phone falls on the ground. I was on a date with a girl, my phone fell on the ground. The noise that came out of my body was by far the most embarrassing I'm poor noise ever. It fell and was just like, oh, oh. Like super guttural. You ever like make a noise you can't control? I felt it start at my toes, went past my vagina, and just, oh. I feel like there's an algorithm out there where you can take the frequencies of the noise I made, put it in there, and find out how much money's in my bank account. Like, all right, frequency, carry the 4. Yeah, he's worth about a couple gift cards to Applebee's. It's pretty good. I was in Beverly Hills, I saw a rich lady drop her phone on the ground, and she just took out another phone and started talking on it. Putting the first one out like a cigarette. Anyways, Diane, what we chatting about? Oh yeah, burning money? Later, she got in a hoverboard. I was like, what the hell was that? Your phone. Hate texting. I'm sick of being ignored. There's no such thing as saying goodbye in a text message conversation. It's just going until you get enough information where you can be like, yeah, I'm done here, thanks. Like whenever I text girls know the perfect time to stop answering my texts and make me feel incredibly insecure. It's always after I say something like too goofy, like things I'd never say in real life. She's like, hey, Matty, how's your day going, funny boy? Pretty good, just got out of work early. How's your day going, silly girl? And nothing, F my life. Silly girl, now I'm just questioning myself. Silly girl, you creep. You're not gonna get a girlfriend sounding like a camp counselor, all right? Oh, the silly girl's in the tents. I'll tickle you, what? Okay. It's always when you hit send, too, right? You can proofread it like 1,000 times. The second I hit send, I'm like, I just made a huge mistake. How can I break my phone so this doesn't end? God damn. How's there not like, why isn't there an unsend button? Like you have 3 seconds to take it back. Why is that not a thing? Google, Apple, whatever. Somebody do it. Jesus. You're like, all right, send. 3, 2. Oh my God. Oh my God. My friend's like, what'd you almost say? Almost called her my pickle princess. He's like, what? I don't know. We were talking about lunch. It made sense.